This jet that costs $500,000 per flight. And we're also gonna fly on this $25,000 private jet, a $10,000 first class seat, a blimp, and so much more. But before I show you what it's like to fly on some of the most luxurious planes on the planet, we're gonna fly on the cheapest plane in the world.
It's really rickety.
Here's the dollar. I'm very nervous.
Nothing to be nervous about. I've done this half a dozen times.
You've done this 6 times.
Why does this sound like a lawnmower engine? Time for a ride on the world's cheapest plane ticket. Oh boy. Oh my God. Oh no. We're going so fast.
That does not sound safe.
They almost hit a camera. Whoa, he's like wiggling.
Keep your seatbelt on.
You just focus on keeping me alive, Doug.
I'm trying.
All right, he's in there.
All right, dibs on the channel.